additional switches that we added in the backend, and I'm gonna walk you through them. The first one that we want to specifically talk about is the disable lease end date validation. It's a switch that allows you to, for example, as you are ending certain contracts and you are ending them during the month, as we are right now on the 28th. And if the contract is supposed to end at the end of the month, I'm using ending a lot, but this is what it's all about. Then, as you know, our system was blocking you from choosing the end date further today's current date. So we introduced this to allow you to end those contracts for the current month with the actual month and date. And as a demo is worth more than words, and let's go to the application and look into this. So first of all, in the manager page, I want to show you where this disable list and validation is, and I am going to set it first to listen and save it. Of course, for the administrators that we have online, as you remember, as you are making changes, it's very important that you save. And I'm gonna go back into my user interface, and I have here prepared some contracts with a natural end for August 31st. I'm having trouble finding my contract. It will be a minute. Sorry about that. It's in my license. All right. So this is a contract that has a natural ending for August 31st. So I'm on the 28th. I just wanna get it out of the way and kind of make it easier for me for the month end. It's already in list end. The list end is available, but what I need to do is set the end date. And if I go on to the set of end date, you can see that the only available date right now is the 28th. I cannot choose 29, 30, or 31st because the 28th is the current date. So now if I switch on this in the back end, and once again, I'm saving it, you will see what the user has the option to do. So from the set end date, I can now select the days of August in the future. Of course, I'm not going into September. This is also based onto the fact that what we were aiming to do here is to allow to close the contract in the current month. We don't want to close it in the future, but we understand the practicality of actually ending the contract during the months using the month end date. So that's the purpose of this switch. It will allow the users to perform their administrative task related to the ending of the contract during the month, and will ease up the month end load. They will have one less action to do for the month end. So with that, I can set up the end date for the 31st. So this is what this switch is doing. So let's go back here to talk about other switches. I'll go back into the presentation mode, and I'm
Sorry,
showing.
Catalina. There's
Yes.
a question from Alabdali Salig. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I just wanted to check, like, is there any way to do a mass lease end for multiple AG at the same time?
For the mass lease end, yes, we have this option in the batch management.
Okay, thanks.
You're very welcome. All right, I was showing here the same thing that I showed you in the interface, and that's now talk about